minutes left to go before we hit the opening bell, and I think the key stock today on everyone's radar is going to be ICICI Bank, because quite a few mixed signals. While the street was extremely bullish going into its earnings, or for that matter on the stock for the last 1 year, and we've seen the way the stock has actually outperformed, but the concern really is about this time around's earnings. The fact that almost 30% of the book has opted for the moratorium, which the RBI provisioned about a month and a half back, and that is something that's giving the streets a little bit of jitters. We were speaking with a couple of analysts, and they recommend, while they continue with a hold rating on ICICI Bank, they have surely revised their price targets downwards. The concern is also that the pressure is going to continue for the next few quarters itself. Also, if there is no support really coming in terms of a package for corporates, or for that matter some relief coming in from the RBI, ICICI Bank will have to continue to provision higher because of the COVID impact. So really that's going to be the key stock under the radar. And then Reliance Industries, can it continue to provide the cushion to the market, which has been for the last 3 weeks? 3 checks in the last 3 weeks. Reliance is now just 4% from that all-time high. So can it continue to really hold out and provide the market that app comfort? Also Unilever, the fact that that block deal went through and there were takers at that peak valuation for Unilever as well. Remember, on Friday itself, the stock held out by a solid 4.5%. So can some of these richly valued premium valuation stocks continue to support the market? That's going to be the other key thing that we're going to look out for. A long list of companies which have resumed operations today as well: No-Sale, VST Tillers, India Cements, Precol, India Glycols, largely only India Cement in terms of mid-cap that you may want to look out for. But that's largely the texture of the market. The pressure when it comes to financials, that's something that is the key monitorable. On our screens, the SGX Nifty indicating a positive start. The pre-open rates were also indicating a positive start for us. So let's see, we will make it to that 9,300 mark. What we do beyond that, of course, is anyone's guess. First rates this Monday morning, let's hear it out. And whether we make it to that 9,300 level as indicated by the pre-open rates, or for that matter, even the SGX Nifty this morning, it is a positive start indeed. 92.36 is where we left it off in Friday's session, and we've made it 1% higher. 93.48 is where we're currently at. It's a positive breath, but the key stock is going to be ICICI Bank. Let's quickly bring that up for you on your screens, because that is also going to show you some color in terms of how other corporate banks earnings is going to be, or for that matter even the visibility going forward. Can we have ICICI Bank up on the screen? Axis Bank, as I see on my screens, is holding up 2%. ICICI Bank starts off absolutely flat to struggling at the 338 odd level as we speak right now. Hero MotoCorp, Kotak, Bajaj Finance, Z, Maruti, Bajaj Finserv, all these names have started off with a positive. RBL Bank, the key loser on Friday, let's revisit that one as well. Bandhan Bank, BEL, BHEL, they were all laggards. And they will just come off you on your screens. Besides that, like I was earlier mentioning, HDFC Life, Unilever, Naukri, Colgate, Techem. Techem, of course, reacted to its earnings. These all stocks had a positive run in Friday's session. RBL Bank making some bit of recovery. BHL as well holds up in the green. That's pretty much the case with the Bandhan as well. All in all, you would have to say it's a comfortable start for now. What happens from here, what happens on closing, that is anyone's guess. It's a good breath as well to start off trade with. I'm just going to quickly refresh my screen and get you up to speed with what's really happening within the broader universe. Indiabulls Housing makes a positive start, about 3.5% higher. TVS Motors as well holding up 3.25%. Mahindra Finance looking good by about 3%. Motherson Sumi starts off in the green right now. On the flip side, the pressure continues for DRL, which is a loser. But remember, DRL also ran up pretty hard after the EIR that it got for its Srikakulam facility. So the stock ran up quite a fair bit in Friday's session. Naukri is a loser today. ONGC is a loser. Yes Bank is in the red. And Biocon is in the red. Continues to hold up for an HDFC Life. Reliance still going rock solid, 2.3% higher. There's also Z and Amara Raja Batteries, which has made a positive dash.